Hello everyone, hope all are doing good. Now, let's know some interesting facts about electromagnetic waves and their characteristics. We might have heard about electromagnetic waves from our surroundings, but do we actually know about electromagnetic waves? To get a clear idea, we will go into this video. Do you ever think, what if we could see only a single color and the rest of the colors are invisible? How could our life be? Just imagine. Our life would be delicate and impossible to lead. So, all the visible light is an example of electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic waves. The waves that are created as a result of vibrations between electric field and magnetic field are known as electromagnetic waves. These electromagnetic waves are all around us every day, but few of the waves can be seen through our naked eye and few of the waves cannot be seen, like radio waves and microwaves. There are few examples that we are displaying here of electromagnetic waves. They are gamma rays, ultraviolet waves, infrared waves, microwaves, radio waves. These waves, which are arranged according to their wavelength, are known as electromagnetic spectrum. This spectrum is the foundation of information age and evolved modern age. Your radio, remote, microwaves, all these are dependent on the electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic waves are similar to ocean waves. Both are energy waves. Electromagnetic waves have electrical and magnetical properties, but unlike ocean waves that require water as a medium, electromagnetic waves travel through vacuum. Electromagnetic waves have crusts and troughs, just like ocean waves. The distance between the two crusts is called as wavelength, and these wavelengths are measured in nanometers, and the number of crusts that pass through the point within 1 second is described as the frequency, and this frequency is measured in hertz. Long electromagnetic waves such as radio waves has long wavelength and have less energy. The distance between two crusts or two troughs is called as wavelength. The wavelength is usually measured from nanometers to meters, and this number of crusts that pass through a point within a single second is described as frequency. Let's discuss the range of the visible light in the electromagnetic spectrum. Visible light is ranging from 380 nanometers to 700 nanometers wavelength. Now, the next topic is about the wave equation. Before going to the wave equation's formula, we must know about few terms like wavelength, amplitude, frequency, wave cycle, time period, etc. As we have already known about the wavelength, now let's discuss about amplitude in the further few seconds. Now, the wave travels at a speed equals to the speed of the light, which is equals to 3.0 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Now, let us understand the electromagnetic wave equation. The wave equation can be understood by a simple triangle as mentioned in this video. As we have already seen, the triangle is divided into the three parts. The topmost part will be the speed and the bottom two parts will be frequency and the wavelength. Here, In this way, we can divide the wave equation into an easy part. Waves have frequency, wavelength, amplitude as mentioned already. We have already seen about frequency and wavelength, but amplitude is the distance of maximum displacement. Now, we will understand about the wave equation through the following triangle, and we will be writing our formula on the own. What actually is the wave equation? Wave equation is nothing but the speed of the wave is equals to frequency into wavelength. While counting the speed, we have to close the speed. Then the below triangle part will be frequency into wavelength. In this way, we can calculate the speed of the light by the formula frequency into wavelength. And here units plays a major role. Frequency units. Let's understand this wave equation through an example. What is speed? Given frequency is 10 Hz and length is 4 centimeters. As we have already given the formula, we can use this formula to calculate the speed. I prefer you guys to pause the video and try it on your own. Okay, and the answer is 40 centimeters per second. Please recheck your answer. And now let's go to the another example. As the question has mentioned there, water has frequency 4 Hz and wavelength 1.5 m. Now, speed is calculated through the given formula. While practicing this more, you will be able to solve easily through the wave equation, and units play an important role through this. And coming to the triangle, I have mentioned already speed in the upper part and the rightmost part. If you need frequency, by closing the frequency part, you will be getting speed by wavelength, and if you need wavelength, by closing the wavelength part, you will be getting speed by frequency. Through this, you will be getting the formulas of speed equals to wavelength into frequency, frequency equals to speed by wavelength, and wavelength equals to speed by frequency. And again, there is another problem here. You can observe that calculate the wavelength. As we have already seen the formula, wavelength equals to speed by frequency. This can be given by 5 by 2 Hz. And the units I have already said play a major role. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is electromagnetic waves in vacuum. As we have already mentioned, electromagnetic waves can move through vacuum unlike mechanical waves. This theory was explained by Maxwell, and Maxwell gave 4 equations. Those are Gauss law of magnetism, Faraday's law, and Ampere's law. These 4 laws explain the movement of electromagnetic waves in vacuum in depth. Let us see the real-time example, wireless charging. Wireless charging has been around since the late 19th century, when electricity pioneer Nikola Tesla demonstrated magnetic resonant coupling, the ability to transmit electricity through the air by creating a magnetic field between 2 circuits, a transmitter and a receiver. But about 100 years, it was the technology without many practical appliances. Perhaps for a few electronic toothbrush models. Today, there are nearly half dozen wireless charging technologies in use. Thank you.